Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is SAN. SAN stand for Storage Area Network. Let's start it. Storage Area Network (SAN) is a dedicated high-speed network for storing and accessing large amount of data. Here are some key aspects of SAN. First is definition: a separate network for storage device and servers, provides block level access to storage device. Second is components: storage device, disk arrays, tab, libraries, SAN switch and directors, a host bus, adapter, HBAS or for server connectivity, fiber channel, FC or Ethernet cables for connectivity. Third is benefits: centralized storage management, improved data availability and redundancy, increased storage capacity and scalability, enhanced performance and throughput. Four is protocols: fiber channels protocol, FCP, internet small computer system interface, ISC, SI, fiber channels for Ethernet, FCOE. Five is topologies: fiber fabric topology, switch network, arbitrated loop topology, ring topology. Six is SAN types: fiber channels, SAN, FC, SAN, Ethernet, SAN, ISC, SI, FCOE. InfiniBand SAN. 7 is SAN management, storage resource management, SRM software, SAN zoning and masking for security and access control, performance monitoring and troubleshooting. SAN is commonly used in: first is enterprise data center, second is cloud storage infrastructure, third is virtualization environment, four is database and analytics application, five is high performance computing, HPC environment. Here are some additional key aspects of SAN. First is SAN scalability: horizontal scaling, adding more storage device; vertical scaling increases storage capacity, scaling storage performances. Second is SAN security: data encryption, access control and authentication, success multiple tenancy compliance with regulation, HIPAA, PCI DSS. Third is SAN data protection: backup and recovery, snapshots and cooling, replication and mirroring, disaster recovery planning. Four is SAN performances optimization: storage tiering and catching data duplication and compression. Storage quality for server QoS, performance monitoring and analysis. Five is SAN management software: storage resource management, SRM tools, SAN management platform, monitoring and reporting tools, automation and orchestration tools. Six is SAN virtualization: storage virtualization, virtual storage application, VSAS, virtual SAN, SAN hyper converged infrastructure, HCI. Third is SAN future trends, NVMe over fabric, NVMe OF storage class memories, SCM artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning. ML is SAN cloud integrate, FAN and hybrid cloud storage. Here are some additional key aspects of SAN. First is SAN networking: fiber channel networking, Ethernet networking, ISC, SI, FCOE, InfiniBand networking, network architecture and design. Second is SAN storage device: disk arrays, HDD, SSD, hybrid, tab, library, solid state storage, SSD, object storage. Third is SAN protocols and standards: fiber channel protocol, FCP, small computer system interface, SCSI, internet small computer system interface, ISCSI, fiber channel over Ethernet, FCOE. Four is SAN management and monitoring: storage resource management, SRM software, SAN management platform, performance monitoring and analysis, troubleshooting and error handling. Five is SAN security and compliance: data encryption and access control, secure multi-tenancy, compliance with regulation, HIPAA, PCI DSS, auditing and logging. 6 is SAN scalability and performance: horizontal scaling, adding more storage devices, vertical scaling, increasing storage capacity, tiering and caching, performance optimization techniques. 7 is SAN virtualization and cloud integration.